Jax, the water cleaning ninja.
Once upon a time, there was a super ninja named Jax. One crazy day, he found a one-eyed goldfish. His name was Little Minnow. They became big best friends. They walked up a gigantic cold mountain, and they were tired and thirsty. The ninja said, "Oh my!"
Little Minnow said, "Oh no, we don't have water to drink." They were looking for water around the mountain. They couldn't find any water because everything was frozen. The super ninja said, "I have an idea. I can use my superpowers to melt the snow." The super ninja melted the snow using his hot powers in his hands. The ninja melted the water. Then he put some of the water in a bowl. Looking down, Ninja Jax and Little Nemo Fish realized that the water was dirty. Jax said, "Ew!" Then a giant snowman came by and said, "Ew too." Ninja found clean ice and in a clean cup, and then he melted with his powers. Then Ninja put soap in the water to take a bath. The snowman put ice in a bowl and he let it melt, and he put Little Minnow inside the bowl. Then Snowman says, "Hey Jax, can you use your power to clean the dirty water?" "Of course, Snowman. That's a good idea." Then Jax uses his power to clean the water.
Little Minnow and Snowman were so grateful for Jax's help that they told all of the creatures of the mountain about his power to change polluted water into clean, drinkable water. Word spread from mountain to mountain and village to village, and Jax became a hero to all living creatures who did not have clean water to drink.